This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Most people think all healthy juices work the same way, but beetroot and pomegranate affect your heart in two completely different ways, and choosing the wrong one might slow your results. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we're comparing two of the most powerful natural heart-supporting drinks backed by science, beetroot juice and pomegranate juice. Before comparing these two, we need to understand something important. Most heart problems don't start in the heart, they start in your blood vessels. When your arteries become stiff, inflamed, or blocked, your heart has to work harder. Over time, this leads to high blood pressure, reduced oxygen supply, and eventually, serious heart conditions. So the real goal is simple. Keep your blood vessels relaxed, clean, and flexible. Now let's see how beetroot and pomegranate help with that. First, beetroot juice, the nitric oxide booster. Beetroot juice is one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. Once you drink it, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is a powerful molecule that relaxes your blood vessels. This leads to better blood flow, lower blood pressure, and improved oxygen delivery. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can reduce systolic blood pressure within just a few hours of consumption. This makes it especially useful for people with hypertension or poor circulation. But here's something important. Beetroot works quickly, but its effects are mostly functional and short-term. You need consistent intake to maintain the benefits. Now let's look at pomegranate juice. Unlike beetroot, pomegranate doesn't rely on nitrates. Instead, it is extremely rich in polyphenols, especially punicalagins and anthocyanins. These compounds act as powerful antioxidants. They protect your arteries from oxidative damage and inflammation. And this is where pomegranate becomes very interesting. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice may reduce plaque buildup in arteries, improve endothelial function, and lower LDL oxidation. In simple terms, pomegranate doesn't just help blood flow. It helps clean and protect your arteries over time. So while beetroot improves function, pomegranate focuses on long-term protection. If your main goal is lowering blood pressure quickly, beetroot juice has a clear advantage. Its nitric oxide effect works within hours. Pomegranate also helps reduce blood pressure, but more gradually through anti-inflammatory effects. So, for blood pressure impact, beetroot takes the lead. But for sustained vascular health, pomegranate starts to catch up. Now, cholesterol and artery health. Here's where pomegranate clearly stands out. Beetroot has minimal direct effect on cholesterol levels. Pomegranate, on the other hand, has been shown to reduce LDL oxidation and improve overall lipid profile. This is critical because oxidized LDL is one of the main drivers of plaque formation. So when it comes to preventing artery blockage, pomegranate is the stronger contender. Now, how you should consume these for maximum benefits. For beetroot juice, you can consume about 100 to 250 milliliters per day. Fresh juice is best, ideally taken on an empty stomach or before physical activity. For pomegranate juice, 150 to 200 milliliters per day is sufficient. Choose fresh or 100% pure juice without added sugar. It can be taken in the morning or with meals. Consistency matters more than quantity. But even natural remedies have limits. Beetroot juice can lower blood pressure significantly, so if someone is already on blood pressure medication, combining both may lead to excessive drops. Pomegranate juice may interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners or drugs metabolized by the liver. Also, packaged juices often contain added sugars, which can cancel out heart benefits, so always go for fresh or unsweetened versions. Now here's the most powerful takeaway. You don't have to choose just one. Using both in a balanced way may actually give you the best of both worlds. Beetroot for immediate circulation support, pomegranate for long-term artery protection. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Mindhunters for more science-based health insights that actually make a difference. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.